Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik hydraulics set, which contains two hydraulic pistons which have to be operated manually, like this, and you can lock it as well, and two pistons which are controlled by this vertical standing motor. By the way, this looks like fischertechnik but isn't. Same manufacturer as the power motors, but it's a 125 to 1 motor with a much stronger torque and slower RPM. With this gear, warm gear, whatever, and then I can with these switches signal when it's up and when it's down, if it works. So last time I tried to make it work using Python via this robo interface connected by Python. Unfortunately, that didn't work out quite that well, so I need to change my program. Adding some stuff and changing statuses, etc. So let's see how that will work out. So now on to Python, and last time let me also open a terminal via which I can actually execute things. Always nice. No, that's not the correct one. This is the correct one. And then, yep. And then the program. Now there's a catch. I started creating this program using Python 2. Now it is Python 3. So this doesn't work. Am I able to print? This should be working. Let's just run it and see whatever happens. Yeah, okay, this should be py Python, and it says missing parentheses. Yeah, this is now Python 3, like I said, so I have to adapt. I recently upgraded to a new version of Linux which has standard Python 3. So let me adapt everything. Try again. Row interface. Oh, now it's getting. Oh wait. Going wrong, because this stuff is Python 2. So I have to invoke this one. Yeah. That's going to be a nice one. Nice experiment. How can I use this in a nice way? Probably like this. So no Python 3, and I have to invoke it here as well. Let's just try to see if this works out. Python 2, go. Yes, it works. No, it doesn't. No such device. Anyway, this was the same thing as last time. And I have to keep in mind to put the monitor in such a way that you can see this properly. How I'm going to do that is another question. But I'll have to keep using Python 2, that's clear. Also yeah, status is still to go. So let's see how I can solve that one. Alright, so now the idea is that I have to make out or find out which one is which. Status 1 is equal to 0, to 1. Status is 1, which means up. That's my definition. Then, if both are 0, both digital 1 and digital 2, which is under and on top, so bottom and top. If bottom and top are 0 and status is 1, I want it to go up all the time. So this is or should be a starting point. If then digital 1 is 1, but we're going up, so we should have, if digital 2 becomes 1, status changes to 0, downwards, which means that this should be the correct way, downwards. Will this work? Only way to find out is do it. That's 1 and that is 1. No such device. That is not nice. Mind this LED which says there should be some kind of connection. And I noticed that the motor won't work because the wiring is off. So I'll have to find something with the wires. The motor wiring to be exact. And I'll do so right away. Because otherwise there is very little to test if it doesn't work, if it is not connected. But that doesn't mean that everything is fixed now, because why does it say there is no connection? There's no such device. That is not correct. So everything is wired now, again. Okay, go. Alright, what happened? Oh wait, I will have to know that the status is there, so print status is, and then the status, and that same thing goes for here and here. Once again, go. Status is 1. Digital 1 plus 2 is here. Sleep 1. And it stops immediately. But why does it stop anyway? No such device. That is strange. So if I put it further below, what will happen then? Alright, using the diagnostics for the fischertechnik interface, I have moved it more or less halfway. So, closing the interface. Then, what will it do this time? And it stops. Why does it stop? I may have to do a while. So, while true, and this is Python, so I have to indent. Indent. Alright. Let's see if the while true is actually curing things. And it looks like it is. Digital 2 is 1. That is not correct. That doesn't make sense. Okay, stop it. Digital 2 is 1. Digital 2 becomes 1. Status is 0. Yeah, okay, status is 0. Status is, that means 2 is 1. That can only be set when it is definitely 0. Alright, let's go on. And the piston is giving it some problems, but now it's going down again. Digital 2 is 1. Now that doesn't make sense, because digital 2 up is not 1 anymore. It is 0. Well, it does work in a way, except that this doesn't make sense. This makes sense, and then this makes sense in a way, yeah. But it shouldn't print it anymore. Alright. So the culprit was, this was missing, and status was missing. Now I'm not entirely sure that status had to be inserted, but while, yes. And slowly, yes, because of the waiting time. So that looks like more or less working. Alright, so changes in the software, a little bit hardware wiring fix, and introduction of status. and that shows that it does work in a very slow speed. So that's nice. Of course, there's more to do with it. So far so good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, and you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. Please take a look under this video for URL of my website and more information. And you can also see everything in the last segment of this video. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.